Hello everyone, I'm Sumesh Bagadia. Today I'm thrilled to share my project RAGE, Retrieval-Augmented Generation Extension. But before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to understand the challenge this project is designed to tackle. Let's face it, finding relevant information online has always been time-consuming. We have all been there, scrolling endlessly through web pages, jumping from section to section, or managing a maze of open tabs. It's not just frustrating, it's inefficient and eats into our productivity. Imagine juggling 10 tabs open at once, desperately looking for that one piece of information. Every click feels like a gamble. Will this section have what you need? This old way of browsing often leaves us drained, wasting precious time and energy. Now imagine if all that chaos could disappear. No more endless scrolling, no more jumping from page to page. This is where my project RAGE, Retrieval Augmented Generation Extension, comes into play. It's a Chrome extension that transforms any website's content into a rack-compatible format, enabling seamless interaction with the content of the site. Before we dive into the demo, let's first look at how to use the extension. Once you install the Chrome extension, just open the extension and you will be looking at a pop-up similar to this. After this, you can select the extract text button. This will retrieve all the visible text from the current web page and send for further processing. Then you can type in your query in the given text box and then click on the send query button. After clicking the button, it will generate a response within few seconds. Now, let's look at some examples. In this example, I wanted to know how to use this product, for which I initially thought of digging in through the web page to read the instructions on how to use. But then instead of digging in deep, I used my extension, where I just typed in how do I use this styling powder. In seconds, it generated a beautiful, crafted, concise answer using Llama 3.1. Thus, no scrolling, no frustration, just the information that I needed. In the second example, we query a Medium article to find out which APIs need to be enabled for Nemo guardrails, and Rage generates the appropriate answers effortlessly and effectively. But the functionality doesn't stop there. Rage can be extended to store embeddings from multiple web pages. Imagine working on a research project or preparing for a presentation. With Rage, you can query across these stored embeddings to access relevant information instantaneously. This not only saves time but also enhances productivity, allowing you to stay focused on what truly matters. In this third example, I searched for Veterans Day on Google. Using Rage, I queried, are there any parades for Veterans Day? Give me the locations of them. The system responded that there are some parades and directed me to the webpage for more detailed information. This example highlights how Rage interacts with curated sources to provide relevant responses. It's worth noting that this project was envisioned even before ChatGPT-enabled web search was available. Unlike ChatGPT search, Rage relies on user-defined sources, offering greater control and customization for retrieving information. In summary, Rage demonstrates how we can take web browsing to the next level, turning passive consumption into active, intelligent interaction. By leveraging curated sources and embedding technology, Rage offers users greater control, efficiency, and productivity compared to traditional or generic web search tools. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this demo inspires you to imagine the endless possibilities Rage can unlock.